Larry Caruso, you knew that. Here's Jill. We're dealing with these cabinets. Check it out. So this was the color. It was just a natural wood. It's probably different. Can you turn that light up a little bit, Jill, or no? Jill ended up, ooh boy, wow. Well, she ended up doing the Sloan paint, which gives a distressed look. It's probably kind of difficult for you to see on the video, but it makes it look like it's been repainted numerous times in its own. Smile and say hi to Dave.
Hi, Dave.
Can you tell him anything interesting?
Not really.
She doesn't have anything interesting. At this moment, it's okay. She's in a carpenter
Other than
mode.
I have my new knobs.
Oh,
that
yeah,
match the
yeah, yeah, we
stainless
do that,
on the
exactly, yeah.
stove. And this is a combination stove, sink,
Check that thing out, Dave.
refrigerator,
Refrigerator, stove,
stinky stove.
stinky stove, and everything all in one. It's apparently a desired piece.
So, yeah.
People at Home Depot saw it.
This
Little
is our
Wilson?
guest house.
Yeah, the guest house, you can see completely empty. Floors are being redone. And we found a little rot over here. Very rare for us to have termites in New England, but little section of the floor, that door is going to be replaced. And getting everything done. I'm sorry about the jittery. And then check out, remember I was telling you it's going to get stormy. The wind's really picking up. And see what's going to go on out here. It's, you know, it's still nice and warm. This is hurricane season for us this time of year. It's not a hurricane. Wind's blowing in. Wind's blowing in a northerly direction, so it's coming in from the south. I don't know, maybe a storm's coming in from the sea. Talk to you soon.